Fun facts about African penguins. Endemic to Africa. Unlike most penguins that live in cold climates, African penguins are native to the coastal areas of southern Africa, including South Africa and Namibia. They love warm, sunny weather, and they live in areas with relatively mild temperatures. African penguins have a distinctive braying call, which sounds like a donkey's bray. This is how they communicate with each other in their noisy colonies. African penguins are very social and often live in large colonies. They are known to nest in burrows or under bushes to protect themselves from the sun. Like most seabirds, penguins tend to be long-lived. They may take 3 to 8 years to reach sexual maturity. With some of the smaller species, breeding may begin at 3 to 4 years, but most larger species are not accomplished breeders until much later. On average, breeding does not begin until the 5th year, and a few males do not breed until the 8th year. Most species have an annual breeding season, spring through summer. Penguin breeding typically involves courtship, mating, nesting, and egg-laying. Courtship varies among species. It generally begins with both visual and auditory displays. In many species, males display first to establish a nest site and then to attract a mate. These penguins are excellent swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 32 kilometers per hour in the water. They use their flipper-like wings to fly through the ocean. Cool feather adaptation. Their feathers are tightly packed and waterproof, which helps them stay dry while swimming. They also have a special oil gland near their tails that helps to maintain the waterproofing of their feathers. They primarily eat fish like sardines and anchovies. Interestingly, they have been known to hunt in large groups, often following schools of fish to catch their prey. On land, African penguins are quite comical in their movements. They waddle and shuffle, making them look very clumsy compared to their smooth swimming. African penguins are classified as endangered due to threats like overfishing, habitat destruction, and oil spills. Conservation efforts are ongoing to help protect their populations. Penguins are quirky personalities, combined with their unique adaptations to warm climates, make African penguins a delightful species. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.